In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Asana board profile 2025 step by step. We'll walk through starting a fresh project, setting up the essentials, and switching to a clean visual board layout that makes tracking work simple and intuitive. First, let's create a new project. From the main menu, select project, then click plus blank project. If you prefer, you can also click create project. At this point, you can either start with a completely blank canvas or pick a ready-made template from the template library. Templates can save time if you see one that matches your workflow, but a blank project gives you full control to shape everything yourself. Next, give your project a clear, descriptive name so everyone knows what it's for at a glance. Choose the team it will belong to, which determines where it lives and who can find it. Then set your privacy preferences. You can keep it open to your team for broad collaboration, or restrict access if the work is sensitive. Take a second to confirm these are right for your situation, then click Create Projects to finalize this setup. Once your project opens, switch the layout to board. This turns your work into a series of columns that represent stages in your process, making it easy to see progress at a glance. Click Add Section to create your columns. A simple and effective starting point is To Do, In Progress, and Done. You can rename these anytime to match your team's language, like backlog, review, or blocked, so your board reflects real-life steps. Inside each section, click the plus icon to add a new task. Keep task names short but specific, and add one task per deliverable or clear action so nothing gets lost. You can drag and drop tasks between sections as work moves forward, which instantly updates the status for everyone. This is the heart of a board workflow: quick, visual changes without digging through menus. Open any task to add key details. Assign an owner so there's clear accountability. Set a due date to keep priorities on track. If a task has multiple parts, break it down with subtasks to outline the steps. These details make your board more than a list. They turn it into a reliable source of truth for your team's work. That's it. You've created a project, configured the basics, switched to board view, and built a practical workflow with tasks, assignees, dates, and subtasks. Keep refining your sections and task details as your process evolves, and your Asana board will stay organized, transparent, and easy to use.